Hello children, you are with Star Channel. You are with Star Channel here to become the brilliant student of your class by learning more and more here. So watch, like, subscribe and share this channel as much as you can share to your relatives, to your teachers and to your friends. And today we have decided to solve the questions of maths. So here we have 5 questions of maths. You can see here the first question, which says if 2 by 3 of a number is 6, find the number. We have to find a number if 2 by 3 of a number is 6. Here we will solve. So let's start here. 2 by 3, let be the number x, then it will become 2 by 3 of x is 6 as mentioned the question. We will solve this. When this side move this side, it will get turned in division. 6 by divided 2 by 3, yes. And to turn this into multiply with 6, what we will do? We will change the uppercase into lowercase and lowercase into uppercase. Here, like this, x will become 6 into 3 by 2. By cancelling 2 with 6, here will come out with 3. So what will be x? X will be 3 into 3, which is 9. So our answer is 9. 9 is the number of 2 by 3 which gets turned in 6. Yes. Here is the next question, which says find the product of 6 by 7 and 2 ratio 2 by 3. How we will solve it out? Let's see. Products mean what is the multiple of 6 by 7 into 2 ratio 2 by 3. So here 6 by 7 into 2 by 2 3. How we will solve this fraction? 3 into 2 will become 6 and 6 will get add with 2, it will 8. So it get turns into 6 by 7 into 8 by 3. Guess. Here 3 get cancelled by 6. 3 2 just 6. Guess. Now the equation will become 2 by 7 into 8 by 1. And we will solve it out. 8 into 2 will become 16 and 7. And the fraction of it is 2 to 7. So it will be the answer of this question. Now we will move to the next question. The next solve this following numbers or equation. Start. So let's start. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5 minus 3. So it's not plus, it's divide. In the above case, we have seen when we have to turn division into multiple, what we will do? Change uppercase into lower and lowercase into upper. So here we will do the same thing, which is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 into 5 by 2 minus 3. By cancelling 2 or 4, we get here 2 and 1. Yes. So the equation will become 2 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Here is also, it get also cancel. Yes. So it will become 1 into 1 and 1. There will be minus 5. It's 3, sorry. So it will become 2 by 3. 2 minus 3, there is plus. Yes. Then 2 minus 3, it will, when we are subtracting smaller number to the bigger, then minus sign came from the bigger number. So here it will shown like this, minus 1. Yes. because there is the 3 have the minus sign, negative sign, so it will where we will put negative sign. So after putting this, we will solve it out like this. We will take LCM both the sides, then it will get turned into 2 minus 3 by 3. Yes, again negative sign, bigger number have the negative sign, we will use the negative sign. So when it get turned into negative, it will be minus 1 by 3. So this is our answer of this question. Next we will move on the next question. Here is the next question, which says multiply the 2.05 and 1.3. So we will learn how to multiply the decimal numbers in easiest way. 2.05 multiplications with 1.3. So it will be 2.05. 0.05 into 1.3. Here, when we are removing the decimal from here, then we got the same digits 0 from the middle. Yes, again similarly like in this, it will get turned 10 because 2 digits are there, there will be also 2 digits. Okay, now we can say it will be easy now to multiply. So the multiplication of 205 into 13 will become 2665, and 100 into 10 it will become 1000, and by cancelling again this, our answer will also come in decimal. This is our answer. We will move on to the next question. The next question is here, fifth question, which says solve the following, where we have two questions A and part B. We will first solve the part A. Part A says 3 minus 2 by 3. How we will solve it? We will take LCM both the sides. So when we are taking LCM, when there is nothing, we will take 1 and then 2 by 3. LCM of 3 and 1, it will be only 1. Yes, so there will be 3, then 1, when 1 is into 2 3, where we need 3, so 3 into 3 it will become 6. Yes, minus 3 is already there, 3 get divided by 3, we will get 1, so 1 into 2, so we got 3 into 3, it will be 9 minus 2 by 3, then 9 minus 2 will be 7, so our answer is 7 by 3. It is our answer. Now next part, B section. Sorry, that's B. Start. B section. The question says 4 plus 2 by 6. As we have seen in the A section, how when there is nothing, we will put 1. Similarly, in this case, 4 by 1 plus 2 by 6. Yes, then they take LCM 6 of 1. Then the LCM will be 6. Yes. Let's start from the smaller digit. So 3, 1, 3, 1 and 1 and 1. Yes. So 2 into 3 into 1, it will be 6. What is the LCM value? It's 6. We will take 6. Then when 1 is get divided by 6, we will get 6. So 6 into 4. Plus when 6 is get divided by 6, it will get 1. So 1 into 2. What we got? 6 into 4, 24, plus 2 into 1, 2 by 6. Then 24 plus 2, it will become 24 plus 2 is 26 by 6. By cancelling it, we will get what? We will get 4.3. So here we have. Thank you guys for watching this questions with patience and this channel subscription.